The walk up on the end of the day. As you can see, it's just a stroll in the park for these guys. What do you think about this, Paul?
Not a lot. It's a long way. But it's good. It's good for my body. Makes me healthy.
Hello, it's me. We've got a bit of a problem. We're stuck in the airport at the moment with no visas and everything's absolutely cocked up. We've been here now 2.5 hours since the flight's landed and no more. They've even lost our passports, so everything's going cracking.
In a bus. And we've now been travelling for nearly 1.25 hours. Three? No.
Nearly 3. No, nearly 2.
It's getting to us.
Nearly 2. We've only got 6 to go. So things are looking up. We've not seen any giraffes. We've seen a motorbike.
And this is what? And the boat's still behind us.
There's boats?
Yeah,
And
we
here's
started
a
before.
lovely limo.
You're so intent on my lyrical content that you Say she loved me so, it didn't matter anymore. I say she never cared and that she never will. Do it all again, I guess I'll have to wait until then. And if I get drunk, well, I'll pass out on the floor now, baby. You won't bother me no more. And if you're drinking, well, you know that you're my friend. And I'll say, I think I'll have myself a beer.
Ladies and gentlemen, I bring you whirlies. These are undercurrents that make you go under. They're quite cool, a little bit dangerous, but on the whole, quite friendly. Now, all the boys have to do is find something that looks like a big plug hole, paddle into it, and down they go. We're not making it look as easy as what it is. Come on, boys.
If I get drunk, well, I'll pass out on the floor now, baby. You won't bother me no more. And if you're drinking, well, you know.
And we're gonna chuck ourselves off a bridge. 3, 2, 1, bungee! And that's a long way down. Smile for the camera, Rich. So false.
So here are the boys getting ready for bungee. I did paper, so I came last. I was a winner. Look at Rich, hang on, let's zoom in on that face. What do you think, Mr. Link? That's what I'm thinking too, mate. Okay, Nick, what do you think? Cracking. Now let's take a look at that waistline. Ooh, someone's gonna hit the water. Oh.
Here's Paul getting into his dodgy harness. And if you look at how skinny his ankles are, they're gonna come straight out that bungee.
That was a nervous wave, Balo. No cameras, please.
again for the second bungee jump. And why are we here for the second bungee jump, Rich?
Because someone forgot to press play.
Oh dearie, dearie me. So we're forcing him to go off again.
Yeah, second jump. Second jump.
Yeah, this is the economy jump, this is.
This is my bungee. We couldn't afford the proper rope.
What are you going to do this time then, Paul? Just like that.
Just like that.
You can say goodbye to your crown jewels, mate.
I'm bored. So,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bungee.
We've lost the Balo. Oh, there he is. Good times.
She called me late last night, say she loved me so. Didn't matter anymore. I say she never cared and that she never will. Do it all again, I guess I'll have to wait until then.
So, Paul, explain what went on with your run.
It was great. Started off, got it working in the cartwheel hole. Did some gates, missed 5, 6, 7, 8, rolled up about there, and then just went straight through.
So, when are you racing Prem back at home next year?
I'll be back in Div 4.
Mr. Slalom Boy. Never take the piss out of Polo Boys again, will you? Yeah.
It's not Cardington, eh? It's not Cardington.
Yeah. This is the exact mock-up of Llangollen. Look at that lovely little birdie. African bird. And Nick.
Another African bird. This is Nick gearing up for number 7. Number 7. How you feeling, Nick?
Cracking.
Cracking. How do I stop this recording?
Press record.
Okay, here we go. Okay, here's Richie. There he is. Say hello, Richie. Oh, I've lost him. Where'd he go? Zoom out. Zoom out. There he is. So this is Richie's getting ready for number 7 as well. Number 7, Land of Giants, eh?
Maybe someday I'll think of what to say. Maybe next time I'll remember what to do. She looks like heaven, maybe this is hell. Said she'd do it all again, she promised not to tell. If I get drunk, well I'll pass out on the floor now, baby. She won't bother me no more. She said, it's okay, boy.
fish called Wonder? Good. Very talkative on the matter, as he's just swam. Here we are walking across the top of Victoria Falls. It's pretty cool. Just going down to Angels and then Devil's Pool, so we should be able to peer over the top.
Look at me, I'm on the Zambezi. Hello.
Go on, Balo. Jump! Top of the falls. Go on then, Richie.
What's that?
You're on.
We just swam in. Unfortunately, you didn't see this because the captain on board.
Hey.
It's still a good pool. Right, good stuff.
Okay, Balo, what did you think, man?
Just looked over the edge of a big waterfall. It was good, eh? Absolutely. Ah, that's awesome.
There's one of the locals.
That's where we were.
He's just having a bath.
Didn't quite start. Didn't do the standing up bit. Looking over the edge was enough, eh? For me. Get up.
The sprays coming up.
Yeah, and then going back down.
You watch some of these waterfalls. How long it takes.
So where do you reckon the line is on this then, Paul?
Right, basically, if you look behind you, straight over and boof it. Go right and boof.
Go right there and boof it.
You see the rainbow?
I'm filming a video then.
Straight down. Easy, you know?
And you might even find a fun towel.
It seemed okay with them, but now I just don't know. How you hate my fucking guts, but at the same time love me. From the Lincoln to the Gold to the lowrider bike, I always get you hated, but you know that you like. What you see is what you get, nothing more, nothing less. I'm killing, smoking chronic while you're choking on stress. Talk hands in the air, let me see it. Fuck you. Talk hands in the air, let me see it. Fuck you. Stay fat. Is it the cash I made on wax or the cocaine sacks? Is it the crew I roll with or the one that you lack? I wish you would come around and lay you flat on your back. You better hope you fucking miss me if you see me drinking whiskey. You know me and Diablo get way past tipsy. Whether drunk, high or sober, yeah, we still getting over. Catch a taxi at 3 a.m. head to toe, drink the Joker. Talk hands in the air, let me see you. Fuck you. Talk hands in the air, let me see you. Fuck you.
I never sing, no never, I only shout. We're coming clean forever, without a doubt. Like a machine gun trigger, you better watch out. Yeah, transplants don't give a fuck, that's where we're at. So, here we come with the original style. I said, who the fuck are you? I've been here for a while. I got the Steelers, AFI, LFP, and Crystal Sound. Transplants are fearless and the most original.
Talk hands in the air, let me see you. Fuck you. Talk hands in the air, let me see you. Fuck you.
Nobody lives, nobody get hurt.
Let me see you. Fuck you. Talk hands in the air, let me see you. Fuck you. You think I give a fuck? Well, you better think twice. US thugs, Wolfpack, and I ain't nothing nice. Check a date and time. Lyrically committing hate crime. Loose from the corner of my mic. Now it's hang time. Blow minds with rhymes designed to break spines. Transplants coming through, and we're one of a kind. With a crow to your dome, make you flip like a flapjack. Two tall cans and a packet of blackjack. Tall cans in the air, let me see you. Fuck you. Tall cans in the air, let me see you. Fuck you. Every time I
Record. Good morning and welcome to Zambia Television. Nick, how are you today?
Well, today on this morning's programme, on the morning after programme, we have a new shock surprise for you. As you can look, if you zoom out now.
Oh, wrong way. Oh!
Some horrible git got me with a razor. Lads.
What happened there, mate? Let's zoom in on that head. Oh, that is skin. That is really short.
I took a day trip to Chernobyl. This is what's happened.
Oh dear. So here we are. It's Sunday morning, day 3 of the peak challenge. Nick is looking convicto, as you might say. Richie down here. Here, if you look closely, that's a fine head of hair. If you look closely here,
no hair.
He's got no hair. We tried to stop them, but we got wrestled to the floor and beaten like donkeys. So, here we go. Congratulations, mate.
Yeah. Don't you love your son, Mum?
This is what happens when Paul has a night on the town. No. He is such a lightweight. Haha.
Ladies and gentlemen, here we have Paul Bayliss studying African toilets. This is about the 4th toilet that his place is headed to. He's at present trying to change the colour of the toilet rim with his stomach lining, which, as you can see, is being quite effective because he has got a lot to spew out due to the fact he drank a little bit too much asthma.
Clothes are on the lawn or ripped, it's on something that you said made her want you dead. I dread to think what she's got waiting for ya. You said to take her out for missing her birthday, take something special, well that was meant to be today. And you're dead, and you're dead, and the only thing you're on, it's over, it's over. You know that it's time, it's over, and you're the one to blame. You called her on the phone, she's not at home. She might be screening calls when it comes to yours. She ignores them, and maybe that's a good thing. Maybe you should try and act a little older. Haven't made you doubts, but she still hasn't told you it's over. But she's colder, and you know her, so you put it shoulder. It's over, it's over.
Right then, Paul, explain to me what he's doing on his driving test now.
This is what we call the hill start. All you got to do, get it on the biting point and let her rip. We did start about here, guys, but it's alright.
I see this is a big old Bedford on a big old hill.
Like that. Sod 1 in 2, this is 1 in 1.
It's over.